time.
Alright guys, so over a year ago I posted a video on how I did a brake upgrade on my Mercedes E550, my 2011, and these cars are prone to warping the front discs. It's just an issue everybody knows about. So what I did was I bought calipers on eBay, used calipers from a 2013 E-Class, which they bolted right up. The only thing you have to do is obviously you got to get new pads that correspond to the new calipers, and you have to get bigger rotors. So I went from a 344 millimeter rotor to a 360 millimeter rotor, and I got those from FCP Euro. So this video is kind of a follow-up of was it worth the upgrade? I could tell you right now, yes, because I was doing this every 6 months and these lasted over a year. So I think I bought the rotors originally, or I did the upgrade I think in April of 2019, and we are now in mid-August of 2020. So again, as far as that goes, I think the upgrade was worth it. But I think what really makes it worth it is because I got the rotors from FCP Euro. Now that I'm ready to update them or replace them, because I'm starting to get the vibrations again, which I kind of expected, because people told me that 2013, 2012 cars have the same issue, but I figured they can't be worse than what I had, the 2011 with the smaller rotors. So what I'm going to document in this video is I'm going to go through the lifetime replacement warranty from FCP Euro. It's the first time I've ever done it. So I basically, the first step is to order replacement components, which I did. They have to be the same part numbers. They can't be like upgrades. And they shipped those to me. It looks like they sent me two boxes. And they packed one rotor per box. Check this out. And I, just like the last time, I ordered the same Zimmerman rotor, and that's what I'm gonna be putting back on the car. So right now I'm just gonna switch the rotors, and then I'll walk you through the my experience of having or acting on the FCP Euro lifetime replacement warranty and how that goes.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, so I got the rotors switched, and the next step is to package them in the packaging that they came in and ship them back. So they shipped me one rotor per carton, and I think the rule is you cannot just ship the item in the primary box. You have to put it in a secondary box. So just the way they ship it to you, they wouldn't just ship you this with a FedEx label on it. they would put it in a master box. So that's how you got to do it. So I don't know why they shipped two boxes instead of one, because they would have both fit in one box. I'm assuming it has something to do with shipping rates, because these are very heavy. So next step is to pack these up, get them out the door, and you have to go on their website and print out one of these return forms. And basically you just put your information, you put the part number, you in the description, and then you have to put your old order number, the original order number, and the replacement part order number, and then you basically throw this in the box. Now, because I'm shipping 2 boxes, I'm gonna make a copy of this, and on the corner I'm gonna write box 1 of 2 and then box 2 of 2, so they realize it's 2 boxes in the shipment. So I'm gonna get these packed up and shipped out. Alright guys, so I finally I packed up the brake rotors and I shipped them back to FCP Euro. I am in New Jersey and FCP Euro is in Connecticut. I actually thought they were in LA for some reason, or California, but they're actually in Connecticut. I shipped it ground. It was 2 separate boxes. I kind of shipped it to them the way they shipped it to me. So they shipped 1 rotor per box, and that's what I did. So it ended up costing me about $46 and change to ship the rotors back, which that was the estimated freight. They usually tack on a couple of dollars after that. So let's just round it up to 50 bucks, right? So I shipped them to Connecticut via ground FedEx. Because it's New Jersey to Connecticut, they actually got them the very next day. And a day after that, I got my PayPal activity saying that I had gotten 2 refunds from them. One for $125.50, and then a second one for the same amount. The reason for that is, I guess, because they process it as 2 separate returns, since there were 2 separate boxes. So if I round that up, that's 250 bucks, let's say. So basically, I got replacement rotors with the $200 discount, or basically it cost me $25 a rotor to get the replacements. So again, this was my first time doing one of those lifetime warranty things with them, and I highly recommend it. I mean, there's no bad things to say. The only thing I couldn't do was the pads, because they only sell the semi-metallic, which is the OEM style, and I like ceramic, so I bought these through another retailer. But if you don't care about having ceramic, you know, I don't see why you wouldn't want free brake pads. You know, you wouldn't cost you any more in the shipping, maybe a couple more dollars because of weight, because you could throw it in the same box. Now, I'm going to take this opportunity to also give an update. So about a year and 4 months ago is when I did this big brake upgrade on the E550. It basically took larger rotors, larger calipers from a 2013 model and put them on my 2011. So basically they lasted me over a year. For the last month, I've gotten a lot of vibrations under braking, so I knew the time had come to replace them again. So does it correct the warping issue 100%? No, but compared to what I had before, where I was replacing rotors, I mean, it was going through them like me eating potato chips. It was like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You know, you get the warp rotors. So I think it's a good upgrade. It's better than it was, and the weird thing about it still that the pads outlast the rotors, which is really weird to me. But maybe that has to do with the fact that these are ceramic and they do last longer than semi-metallic. I wonder if they were semi-metallic, if they would wear out at the same time. In any case, thanks for watching this video. It's been a while since I posted something, so thank you for you guys that hung in there, and hope to post something very soon. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Ryan Little.